If you are new to crochet or are just looking for a quick and easy scarf, then this pattern is for you. So I'm using a 5mm hook and some, I don't know if it's Karen marble cakes or Papatia swirly cakes because they're both almost identical. I do have a written pattern for the scarf. It comes in sizes toddler to adult, so if you want to get a specific size, then just go and check out the linked pattern. So I'm going to start with a slip knot on my hook. And you're going to make your chain as long as you want your scarf to be. If you're using the written pattern for a guide, then the finished measurements for those scarves that come out are kind of a short to medium length scarf. So you might want to adjust that to however long you want your scarf to be. We're working for the entire length of the scarf, so you're going to make your chain as long as you want your scarf to be, and then we'll add rows to get the width. So you just keep chaining until your scarf is as long as you want it. Now I'm just going to make a small swatch just to show you. Now, as I said, this is really good for beginners. It's really easy. We're just going to be using half double crochet. So we're going to put a half double crochet in our second chain from the hook. So we've got our first chain here, and this is our second chain. For a half double crochet, we're going to yarn over, put our hook into that second chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all of those loops. And I'll show you again. Yarn over, put your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all of those loops. And you're going to keep doing this all the way across your starting chain with a half double crochet in each stitch. So I've worked all the way across with that half double crochet into each stitch. We're then going to chain one and turn our work. Now this chain one, in this particular instance, it doesn't count as a stitch, it doesn't count as anything. The chaining at the beginning of a row is always just to get your stitch up to the right height. Sometimes the chains will count as a stitch, but in this case it doesn't. So this is the row you're just going to repeat. So we're going to put a half double crochet into that first stitch, and into the next stitch, and in each stitch all the way to the end. And watch out, because beginners can easily sometimes miss that last stitch. We've still got one more stitch there to work into, so always make sure you count your stitches if you're not sure. And then we simply chain one, turn, and we work that row again. We just repeat that row until your scarf is as wide as you want it to be. For my adult size scarf, I chained 220 at the beginning, and I did a total of 12 rows to get the width. So if you do want to see the extra sizes, then please check out the blog post. And if you would like to add a cute fringe to your scarf, then watch this next video. Bye bye now.